Hello, today we will guide you through how to log into Interactive Brokers. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to access your account quickly and securely. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a modern web browser, and your Interactive Brokers username and password. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready on your phone. Throughout this guide, I'll point out a few security and troubleshooting tips to help you avoid common hiccups and keep your account safe. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Interactive Brokers website at interactivebrokers.com. Always check that the address bar shows the correct domain and a padlock icon, which indicates a secure connection. This quick glance helps you avoid lookalike phishing pages and ensures you're signing in on the real site. If you've bookmarked the homepage, this is a great time to use that bookmark. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right of the screen for the Log In option. On desktop, it typically appears in the main navigation bar at the upper right. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to tap the menu icon first to reveal navigation items. When you see Log In, click it to proceed. This will take you to the secure sign-in page where you can enter your credentials. On the login page, type your username and your password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, so double-check caps lock. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce errors. For your security, never share your credentials and avoid signing in on public or shared computers when possible. Depending on your account settings, you may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication. This could involve approving a notification in the Interactive Brokers Authentication app, entering a code sent to your device, or using another configured method. Have that device close by so you can complete verification without delays. When your details are in place, click the Login button to submit. If everything is correct, you'll be taken to your account portal where you can view balances, positions, and other account information. If you see an error, confirm your username and password, check for typos, and try again. Still stuck? Use the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link on the page to recover access, and follow the on-screen instructions. After you finish your session, remember to sign out, especially on any shared or public device. That's it. Go to the official site, find Login at the top right, click it, enter your details, and log in. Thanks for watching and stay secure while you trade.